Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Prelit Tree Bulbs is probably one of the most frustrating things to deal with when your beloved Prelit Christmas tree suddenly loses its sparkle. Finding the right replacement bulbs can be a real challenge. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect replacement bulbs for your Prelit Christmas tree, ensuring your holiday season remains bright and merry, and save you time and money by avoiding common pitfalls. Number 5. National Tree RBG 25C Bulbs. These replacement bulbs are perfect for your Christmas light strings. They're easy to use and will keep your decorations shining bright. This pack contains 25 long-lasting bulbs, ideal for 50, 100, or 150 bulb light strings. Enjoy bright, festive lighting for years to come. Rest assured knowing these bulbs are UL listed for safety. They're designed for worry-free holiday decorating. Replacing burnt-out bulbs is simple and quick with these convenient mini lights. Get your decorations sparkling in minutes. Made with high-quality LEDs, they provide a warm, bright glow. These bulbs will add a touch of magic to your holiday season. At National Tree Company, we help you focus on creating special holiday memories. Let our decorations transform your home this Christmas. What we like? It's safe and reliable with its UL listing and designed for various light strings. If you need a small number of replacements and prioritize safety and ease of use, this is a great option. Its simple design makes it perfect for quick fixes. What people say? They were a perfect fit for our Christmas tree. I had to change 38 of them to find the one that was bad, but at last, the top section of our tree works again. They don't fit perfectly, but no one can tell, and the trees are brighter again. The bulbs work as they should. A few days later they're still going strong and no burnouts. Just always check your watts and volts first. Number 4. Mutter Mini Bulbs. These mini bulbs are perfect for replacing burnt-out lights on your string lights. They're bright and add a festive touch to your holiday decor. Each bulb is 3.5 V, 0.43 watts, and 125 milliamperes. Always check the voltage and wattage on your string lights before replacing bulbs. You get 200 clear bulbs in this package, ensuring you have plenty of replacements on hand. That's enough to light up your whole tree. These bulbs are easy to use and connect to most string lights. Use them to create a warm and inviting atmosphere for your family and friends. They're ideal for indoor and outdoor use, perfect for decorating your Christmas tree, pergola, or hedge. Let your creativity shine. Remember, these are replacement bulbs only. They don't include a base. Make sure to check your existing lights before ordering. What we like? This offers a massive quantity, perfect for extensive decorating projects. If you're looking for a large supply of bulbs for multiple projects or large trees, and want to get creative with your decorations, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it ideal for various applications. What people say? I replaced a lot of bulbs in my lights with these and they were worth the money and cheaper than replacing them. Replacing bulbs is much easier now. All I have to do is reach into the case and exchange the bulbs. Works great for me. I have candy cane lights that have a total of 36 lights on the string, 12 bulbs per candy cane. So these are indeed the right lights to use as a replacement. 120V 36 equals 3.3 V per bulb. So they technically work in the application. Number 3. 612 Vermont Bulbs. These 2.5 V mini bulbs are perfect for replacing burnt-out bulbs on your Christmas tree or string lights. They're a simple way to restore your holiday sparkle. Before replacing your bulbs, check the voltage, mAh, and wattage on the white tag near the plug to ensure compatibility. It's a quick and easy step to ensure a perfect fit. With their pinched base, these bulbs fit most light sets. No more struggling with incompatible bulbs. You get 200 bulbs in total, conveniently packaged in 2 bags of 100 for easy storage and use. That's plenty to keep your lights shining bright. The bulbs come in a sturdy box, making storage simple and protecting them until next holiday season. Keep them safe and organized for years of use. These bulbs are 2.5 volt, 200 milliamperes, and 0.5 watts. They're the perfect replacement for your mini Christmas lights. What we like? Get a great value with this large pack of bulbs, suitable for most light sets. If you need a large number of replacements and a secure fit is crucial, this is a smart choice. Its compatibility ensures a seamless replacement process. What people say. Work like a charm to replace the bulbs in discontinued strands on a balsam hill tree. Just a bit of work to pop the old bulbs out of the base and put these new one in. These are great. Easy to use and replace. I didn't have any that didn't work in my pack. I had lights out on an older balsam hill tree. They are no longer carrying the bulbs since they switched to a new base. I ordered these and kept my fingers crossed. Well, they work perfectly. My husband replaced them in just a few minutes. Just make sure the two wires on the bulb go in the separate holes in the base or you will short out the bulb. Number 2. 612 Vermont Mini Bulbs. These miniature bulbs are perfect for adding a festive glow to your Christmas tree or string lights. They're a simple way to replace burnt-out bulbs and restore your holiday cheer. Replacing your old bulbs is quick and easy. It's a simple solution to restore the brightness of your holiday decorations. With their pinched base, these bulbs are compatible with most light sets. Just check the voltage, mAh, and wattage to ensure a perfect fit. This pack contains 100 bulbs, providing plenty of replacements for your holiday lighting needs. You'll have spares on hand for years to come. The bulbs come in a convenient box with a storage bag, making it easy to keep them organized and protected until next year. This ensures they're ready when you need them. Remember to check the label on your light set to confirm that they are compatible with these 2.5 V, 200 mA, 0.5 W bulbs. This will ensure that they work correctly and safely. What we like. This provides a convenient quantity for smaller projects. If you need fewer replacements and prefer a reliable fit, this is a practical option. Its manageable size is perfect for smaller trees or quick repairs. What people say. I purchased several brands before this and it is the closest match. I have installed 50 of the 100 I purchased. 100% worked. They have the correct brightness, a bright white, and the wire length is a perfect fit for my existing sockets. The website for this product had an excellent diagram of the bulb, with dimensions, and described the bulb as having a pinched base. This is what caught my attention, since other bulbs I tried to use would not fit into the sockets for the tree. The website also had a lot of great information on the voltage and amps for each of the types of bulb options they offered, which helped me to get the exact kind I needed. The bulbs work perfectly for my tree, so much so that I immediately purchased 2 more boxes. The pinched base lights fit perfectly and are working great. Tree has a new lease on life. Number 1. Christmas Replacement Bulbs. These bulbs come in an exquisite box, containing 150 mini bulbs. That's plenty to replace any that are broken on your tree. Before buying, double-check the voltage, amperage, and wattage you need. It's 2.5 V, 0.17 A, and 0.425 watts. Look for this information near your tree's plug. Replacing a bulb is simple. First, mark the broken one, then turn off the power, remove the old bulb, and insert the new one. It's that easy. They're perfect for Christmas trees, wreaths, garlands, and any string lights that use the same type of base. It's great for replacing old or broken bulbs. These mini bulbs are small, so store them carefully and keep them away from children. Safety is always important. What we like. It's easy to use and comes in a convenient quantity. If you value ease of use and a sufficient number of replacements, this is a good choice. Its straightforward design makes replacing bulbs simple and efficient. What people say. These bulbs were a perfect replacement option for my tree. Just remember to save all of your bases. I found these bulbs burn perfectly and same color as the rest of the tree. A yellowish warm color. These bulbs fit any type of tree lights. When a branch of our Christmas tree did not light, it was noticeable, but biggest part of tree was still lighting up. Ordered the replacement bulbs because the bases that plug into the cord can be different type sizes, but the bulbs fit into every type base. Lights work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.